Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am at the SBI booth at the IBS Builders Show here in Las Vegas, and I am going to show you guys the Osburn Inspire. Now I love the Osburn Inspire Woodstove because it's a really beautiful modern stove that fits really nicely into a lot more of these contemporary homes that we're seeing these days. So I'm going to give you guys a product overview and show you some of my favorite features on this model. So personally, I love this big glass door. It does have a black frame around approximately the first top 4 inches and the bottom 2 inches of the frame, but it is still that full glass, so it fits really nice into a modern home. It does have a clean style where this handle is actually removable as well, so you can take it off and have a nice full clean front. I'm going to show you guys inside the stove here. Of course, as with all other Osburn wood burning products, they have a nice thick gasket that they use on the firebox door. This is nice because it keeps it burning nice and airtight, so you get your long burn times. In addition, all the Osburn wood stoves do have the air wash gap here. So this is where the fresh air comes down through the glass and keeps your glass burning nice and clean. So not only do you have this big, beautiful glass viewing area, you're gonna have an excellent view, clean view of the flame, not just a view. So I love that. Inside the firebox, they do use the refractory panels. So this is going to be a 5-piece panel system. It's one solid piece on the bottom. You have 2 on the rear and 2 on each sides. And then these are a poured refractory. I do want to talk to you guys about how the stove clean out works. You have an ash plug right here. 3-inch ash plug that comes out the front, and you would literally just scoop your ashes down into the plug, and then your ash pan is located right down there. You can pull this out. So I do talk, don't throw away your ashes. There's tons of uses that you can use your ashes for. You can actually use your ashes to store your tomatoes. If you guys are gardeners and you store your green tomatoes, you can store them all year long, okay? Don't throw away your ashes. Underneath the stove is nice. You can use this for log storage to keep your wood nice and dry, so you always have some good dry wood to load into your firebox. This is going to be a top vent model, and it does have a 6-inch flue here. So this is going to be my overview for you guys on the Osburn Inspire Woodstove. This model is EPA approved, UL and ULC listed. If you guys like these overviews, if you find them helpful, informational, and educational, don't forget to give us that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.